So, I decided, hey, I need to do something about this. Merong jahe kasi kung na-sleep ko. Lalo na lalaki. But, when I discovered Live and Burn Coffee, oh, natuwa talaga ako. Kasi sobrang natuwa ako. Kasi kape siya. Sakto kape, coffee lover ako. At hindi halata sa office na papapayat pala siya.
So this Live and Burn coffee has an ingredient called Garcinia cambogia. Most of the time kasi, di ba, we eat fatty foods. So yung Garcinia cambogia, it hinders the absorption of fats in our body. So because of Garcinia cambogia, hindi na naa-absorb yung fat sa katawan natin. Na-flush out na siya agad ng digestive system natin, uric acid. So it has boosted fat burning and cut back appetite according to studies.
And ito pa yung napansin ko. Sa Live and Burn Coffee, when you're taking it, ito talaga, the first thing you notice is na-reduce yung appetite mo, causing you to eat less than usual. Tsaka busog agad yung feeling mo kahit konti lang kinain mo. But not feeling bloated or anything. At yung amazing thing about it is, hindi ka nangihina. As in, your energy levels is still the same, if not better. Ako, if I take it, when I take Live and Burn Coffee, I'm just more wired, more awake. I'm just on the go, ready to go talaga, every time.
Itong Live and Burn Coffee, meron siyang cereal, catechin, carnivore.
Cereal increases our serotonin hormones, or otherwise known as happy hormones. Kasi diba, what our burn products does is they suppress our appetite and our cravings. So tendency is mawawalan tayo ng gana masyadong kumain. And normally, every time nawawalan tayo ng ganang kumain, hindi tayo masyadong nagiging productive or hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-isip ng maayos kasi nga iniisip natin, gusto natin kumain. But with this, walang ganun na effect. Kasi even though nasa-suppress yung appetite and cravings, on the other hand, ini-increase naman yung serotonin hormones. So, ibig sabihin, you are assured that you will be on a good mood and you can still do your work properly. At bago pala natin makalimutan, partner, this Live and Burn Coffee use stevia, which is a sweetener, pero sugar-free. And it is a powerful antioxidant din.
Kaya naman sure tayo na legit to.
And I can tell you, I've been taking Live and Burn Coffee for 4 months now, and with 4 months of experience, I have lost a significant amount of weight. So I've already lost 30 pounds to be exact. Kasi I'm still gonna take Live and Burn Coffee kahit ako yung desired body ko. Kasi one, to still keep maintain yung body physique na gusto ko. But aside from appearance, it's a lifestyle.